America is brought to you by
CBS Health Watch, sponsored by
Anderson Cooper 360. Brought to you by
ABC News Nightline. Brought to you by
Making a Difference. Brought to you by
CNN Tonight. Brought to you by Early Start. Brought to you by Friday Night on Aaron Burnett Out Front. Brought to you by
This Week with George Stephanopoulos is brought to you by
This weather report brought to you by
Today's countdown to the royal wedding is brought to you by
And now a CBS Sports Update brought to you by
Meet the Press Data Download. Brought to you by
this portion of CBS This Morning, sponsored by